Hello and welcome to another edition of Stay at Home Hair. So today I'm going to attempt to rag roll my hair, as I had a suggestion from one of our team to do it, so I thought it'd be quite fun. Never done it before, so it'll be a test for me as well. So I'm going to show you how to rag roll, and then I'm also going to show you a little crafting thing you can do with your leftover material from your rag rolling. So what you need to do is just get some scraps of material, and I've cut them into little strips. I've not overly measured them, I've done them quite random, they're not an exact measurement. So what you need is a wire wreath frame. The one I was given has just got 2 rings on them, but you can get some with 4, so you can make a bigger one. And what you want to do is we're going to tie our bits of material around just to make this ragged like wreath. I've started a few already, and what I'm going to try and do is stagger them so that you'll get different pattern coming around, but we'll see. So you just tie piece of material round your wreath in a double knot and just leave it to stick out, and then you just repeat all the way round, and then you just slide your material down and move it around where you want it to go, and you just repeat that all the way around. I'll continue to do this and show you in a bit what it looks like. So there we have it, the finished wreath. What I've done is I've gone round, I've just move the knots to each side as I've gone along, just to spread it out. It's a bit messy for my liking, but that's what a rag wreath is meant to look like. But I thought if you wanted to make it more Eastery, you could just hang some little Easter eggs on, like what I've already decorated for my Easter tree, and you could just hang them off. But it's just for a bit of fun of what you can do with a bit of old scrap material. So I thought I'd try doing some rag rolling curls, old school style, with my leftover bits of material. I've not done it before, so it'd be interesting to see what it comes out like. So I've just misted over with a bit of water on my hair because I didn't want to be too wet, but you can do this on wet hair and steep in it, or just do it on slightly damp hair. You just want to take a random section of hair and then roll it up like I will try and demonstrate now. So as you can see, I've just wrapped them all around my head, and how sexy do I look for Mr. C tonight to look at? I'm going to attempt to sleep in them and see what happens in the morning. Morning! Right, so now time to see how this has worked and take them out. There we have it, a few nice loose curls, all just done with a little bit of old scrap material. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos. Stay safe.